What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, if you're new here, kindly consider subscribing, sharing, watching the video till the end. Guys, thank you so much for the people who have subscribed to my channel. I really don't take that for granted. Bright new day, and God is good, God is great, and I'm really humbled to be here today, guys. And yeah, we are on, we are up, we are moving, guys. And I really say God is great, always. Guys, now I'm good, I'm on my feet, and we are kicking. So I'm coming live from a place called Kehancha. It's well known of gold mining. I don't know if you can hear the sounds. Yeah, the sounds from this place, guys. It's very like people are grinding, like grinding gold. Yeah, here is where they mine gold. I don't know if it's risky to be here, guys, but from here you can hear, yeah, a lot of places here it's just gold mining. So from here, let me just go down and show you. Maybe yeah, I hope nothing will happen, but here is where the gold mine. So this is part of income in our society here, Kuria. So Kehancha is known of one of the best producing gold. It's a gold mine. This is the place that gold comes from, the main place in Kuria. So this is where we know that golds come from. So we have some mining, is it mining shops or mining places around here, a lot of them. So you can see even the borders are passing with stones. The stones you see they are carrying, they are not like normal stones. They have maybe some particles of gold inside. So this land was blessed, was really blessed with gold. So, and also cows grazing, a lot of cows also, they graze cows. You know, guys, I'm trying to be careful because here it's very tough. You know, gold is not an easy thing to do, and the people who do mining, they are very careful with their work. So it's very rare you see videos from gold mine, so especially without a permission from a special person or someone who owns that place that has gold. So we cannot go in because we don't know anyone here that can direct us or can maybe tell us about gold and how gold started here, how they found gold here. We don't have someone to tell us about that. But anyway, guys, this is where you can find gold if you come to Africa, especially Kuria, Kenya. So here is where gold is found. You can find even here where I'm standing, guys. From here you can find that we have gold here. But anyway, guys, we were just passing by, and my friend just took me for, yeah, refreshment. You know, I've been in for long, so he said, bro, we can go somewhere and take a walk. And yeah, so we were just taking a walk. He took me for lunch. Thank you so much, brother. May God bless you. Yeah, and now we are here. You can see a lot of bushes. So here gold mine is one of the main things that people do here to maybe sustain themselves or make their lives like make ends meet, I can say. And it is a real big deal. Being I don't know how I can put that, but being a cartel in gold, you know, I can say a cartel because gold is not like maize. Gold is something else. Like, you have to be very careful, you have to dig deep. You can, you know, even here where I'm standing from, you can get that there is a hole. You see from there that I'm showing you guys, that is the main place that they dig the gold. But you can get a hole here, passing here to a very long distance place. So you can get people inside this ground, inside here, like they are walking looking for gold. So gold is I believe gold, if you venture into gold mining, actually I think it brings success to your life, because gold is very rare to get. So, and a lot of people and a lot of prominent people and rich people here in our village, they are from the gold. They do gold mining. They sell gold, they buy gold, they buy something called also Senet. Senet, I think, is the most expensive one. Yeah, so this is what they do here, especially here in this village, Kehancha village. This is what they do, especially to get ends meet. So this is a place that I thought that I should show you. This place, it's so beautiful, and yeah, but it's chaotic sometimes, I can say, because of the risky. And you know, gold has a lot of money, so it's very risky. You can't get people like normal, like in Nyabohansi, you get people walking with money. It's very risky. So we have a lot of I don't want to say this, but it's true. We have a lot of theft here, because people think if you're in gold, you have money, you know. So, and I think from the people who dig, the handman and whatever, to the person himself who has a hole. You know, you can buy a hole for some amount. Yes, a hole that has gold. You buy that hole, then that hole remains for you. You put a fence, so that is for you, only for you. So you dig, you put your people there, they dig down, they bring you gold, so you go and sell. So it's very hard and rare for someone to buy land here. And I believe if you buy a land here, it's very, very expensive because of the gold thing. So guys, we are here today, and I'm going to show you a lot of also adventures. It was really a good day today. So here we are just passing, and I thought it's good for me to tell you the story of this place and the goodness of here. Yeah, when you come here, you want gold, you will get gold, because this is land for gold. God bless this land for gold. And I really believe even in Nyabohansi we have some, but not many. But here, mostly, and most of the people, most of the youths, they do gold here. So their hustles is from gold, and trust me, they make a good amount of money to sustain themselves, like their families and everything. And here also the gold goes family to family, you know, like someone can own a land of gold, then when he gets old, he gives it to his son or his daughter or her daughter, yeah, whatever. So they inherit the land, so they keep on inheriting. So they do that. So this is the main income here in Kehancha village, exactly. And that has made Kehancha village to grow very fast and very easily. Like in the olden days, we didn't have buses coming to direct from Nairobi to Kehancha. You used to come from Nairobi, you drop to at the border, then you take a motorbike or a car at 100 bob, 100 shillings, that is $1 to Kehancha. But right now they have buses, they have bus stations here, like for example Ena Coach, Easy Coach, they are here, guys. So you can come directly, and that came after people realized that this place like has this main income, and it's worldwide. Gold is worldwide. So that's the main reason they brought the buses here, because of the business. So guys, we were just passing by, and this is a field, that football field. Of course I was a footballer, a good footballer, but yeah, God knows why he brought me to content creation, guys, and show you more about life, good life, you know, good and bad life, and village life, and traveling, you know. God knows. But I was a very, very, very good footballer, and I really thank the Almighty. So this is one of the things that I used to do. I'm also an artist, you guys know. this is one of the things I used to do. Like this time of the moment, you could find me in the field, like now, practicing, you know. And I was very good at defensive. Before I left, I was on defensive number 5. Imagine, guys. Yeah, so I left at yeah, I was playing number 5. Yes, at my team Nyabohanse. It was called Hongera team. Yeah. Big up to everyone that is watching my video. Big up to my supporters. Road to 10,000 subscribers, guys. Keep watching my videos, watch till the end, don't skip the ads. And I want to say you guys are really amazing. So let's go. We are just passing. Let's go and show you the adventure of Kehancha, and yeah, and going back to our village. You can hear the sounds. Yeah, that's the machines of crushing the gold. They are crushing the stones. And you know, gold is not that you just find it like this, that like this is gold. No, you just find a stone and you go to a machine. Some people have bought machines for a very expensive amount. So you go there, you pay them, they crush the stones. Then after crushing, there's a process of washing. I wish I could show you guys, but we don't have anyone here that is willing to show us. But maybe someday we will plan and come and get someone who will show us better. Even Pope, by the way, Pope was working here, and yeah, I think we should come with Pope, and he will maybe identify someone who knows him, and we will show you the whole process. But the machines are specially used for crushing the stones, so that you get the gold from the stones that you dig. You know, you just dig stones. They call it the I don't know, I think I should go and ask Pope. They follow something that goes like waterfall like this, so on a stone. So they follow it and they know this has gold, so they go and crush it, they wash it, they use some chemicals to wash it and get something small that is gold. So guys, this is a place to be if you want to venture in gold mining or selling, buying. Here is the place to be, Kehancha. So guys, let's push on, let's go and see what we are going to do, guys. Yes, yeah guys, finally from where I showed you, a place to be and a place you can invest, a very good place. So we are back in our village. This is Nyabohanse. As I told you, we are just passing by, so we are right here. This is a construction for Chef Matiko. Big up to you, brother. You're doing amazing work here, and we really appreciate everyone that is doing a genuine work like this. Guys, you can see it's a very genuine work. Let me show you from this end, guys, how it looks like. Yes, so this is Chef Matiko's. It's a dream come true, and also me, guys, it's a dream for me. Like I really want, and I believe I will own some property like this. It's very huge and very good, comfortable, you know, and very accommodative. So guys, this is a construction for Chef Matiko. This is what Chef Matiko is doing in our village, and it's near Ayamara's home. Because of maize right now, they are growing so much because of so much rain in our village. So I think you can see Ayamara's village, but it's right here, around here. So the maize are grown, so you can see there, but it's the immediate neighbor of Ayamara. So these are the staircases. I think they are I don't think they are weight, but I can see, I believe they were made today, just today. But I'm told with the engineer that I can't go up there and see what is happening. So let's try and see, guys. So yes, yeah, so Chef Matiko, wherever you are, big up to you. This is a very big project, and inspiration to the youths around our village. So this is how it looks like. Wow, the view. Yeah, big up to you, and thank you so much for inspiring the youths around our village. Yo, I'm coming there, guys. It's not that I'm not going to Buell, but I'm going there very soon. You just have to plan yourself, collect yourself, and no pressure, you know. What I can tell you guys, like, you don't want, like, for me, I don't want to do what someone else has done. Your plan is your own plan, so my plan is my own plan. So, you know, maybe I can build a bigger house, like more than this. So that is my plan. Of course, I want to do something at once, like I finish it at all. No, like this and again I'm going to another thing, you know. I just want to finish everything up, my dream house, and that it is. Yeah, so this is the place, this is the roof. I can say this is the rooftop, and I like this rooftop that they are putting on right now in our village. It's modern, and I think this is Tanzanian way. Yeah, it's very, very modern. Yeah, and very nice. I think this, you guys can tell me down the comment section if this is the best. So this is the rooftop I'm standing from. You can see this is the, yeah, so this is the rooftop here, and it's very nice, decorated with tiles. Yeah, and the iron sheet, the way they are placed so that water can flow. We have water gutter here, so when rain comes, they flow from this gutter. Yeah, it's a really good design, and the good thing about this place is I can't say in the middle of the forest, but somewhere where it's very, very quiet. You can see the environment, guys, how it looks like. So this is the environment where this house comes from. A very beautiful house, accommodative, very big. Yeah, I'm really happy. Yeah, so I think where the fence ends, that is where the compound ends also. So it's very nice, and I'm really happy to visit this place. And I don't know what this is. Huh? I don't know what this is. It's kind of a chair. Maybe you can sit from here and view everything. Yeah, so Marwa's home is around here. The trees and the maize are really green. Hey, the birds, wow, the bird nests. This tree, wow, I don't know if you can see the bird nest over there. A lot of them. Yeah, the birds in the evening, they always make sounds, good sounds, guys. So this is the house that Chef Matiko is constructing here in our village. Yeah, so guys, we don't know if here is where Chef Matiko will come and live. We don't know yet, but we will know, of course. Yeah, but it's a very beautiful house and a very good house, and I really admire it. But for me, guys, what I want to do, like, it's is it a mansionette, like this one and the other one up, you know, like here in the village we call it gorofa, you know. People don't know, like, mansionette, and yeah, we call it gorofa. So what I want to do is like this one and another one up, and we maybe have a swimming pool up here. I don't know what you think, but my idea is that, and it's not that I'm delaying or stuck or whatever. I'm just trying to collect myself and see, you know, we always say, when you copy the best. So when you come here, when you see a house like this is very good, So you copy from here and then you copy the best. You maybe modify something else. Yeah, maybe you can build a balcony, extended balcony over there, you see. Yeah, so when you copy the best, but don't copy paste. Yeah, that is what I always tell my people. And believe in me guys, this house is the best, yeah, in the village. The one of the best, I can't say the best, but one of the best. Of course, Maro's house is a very big house, a very good house, and a place to be. I can call it a palace because it's a place that you can go and stay for very long time, and it can accommodate a lot of people. I cannot say 1,000 plus, but a lot of people. So this is one of the best houses that I have seen in our village, and I believe if we work together and support each other, everyone can have a good life and a good compound, a good house, and accommodate anyone that comes in the village. We believe this village is growing and is going to better heights. So everyone who comes from anywhere in this world coming to our village, you should come and visit here and have a very good accommodation in one of our own maybe youths or YouTubers here in the village who have good houses and quite accommodative. Yeah, I can say that. And this place, guys, I don't know if you can see the other end over there. Hey, it's very far. I don't know if you can see. They wanted to put an airstrip over there. Yeah, over there, an airstrip. So it is a government plan. We don't know when it will start, but this is a place that it's like even the government has recognized this place. So even before everything else, even before YouTube, they wanted to put the airstrip over there. So it will be very easy for us, even if you come from Nairobi, and I believe you guys will put the price very cheap from Nairobi to land to Nyabohanse. Yeah, directly from Nairobi to Nyabohanse, you land just there and you come visit our places. This is one of the places that we have the yaje. We have very, I cannot say prominent, but we have YouTubers that are very hardworking and doing something else, like boom. Yeah, so this is the place, guys. It's so beautiful. Yeah, the birds and everything, the forest. I don't think this is a forest, but you guys can tell me down in the comment section if it's a forest. And we have a very large land of maize crops. People plant maize so much. That is the main cash crop here in Nyabohanse. Mainly, I can say here in Nyabohanse. And as I showed you in Kehancha, their main income is gold. You know, they mine gold a lot of gold. So they were blessed with gold. And us here, we are blessed with maize, planting maize. As you can see, everywhere else apart from houses, everywhere else is covered with maize. Maybe I can see there grass for cows. Yeah, grass for cows. So yeah, so that is all they do here. And we have also bananas, a lot of them. And the funny thing, guys, this is the first time I'm visiting this place, and I'm seeing it so beautiful. And so, like, see the bananas over there, guys, so grown. Yeah, and the house from here, the house is, this is how we live here in our village. And most the most thing I want to say is the bird sounds. Wow, see how they, wow, we have birds nest over there. Yeah, it's so fine. And we graze also cows over here. Very nice, very nice. So guys, let's go down and talk to maybe, yeah, someone there can explain to us about this place, guys. So I think this is not a story building, but we have like, it's like a balcony going up there to maybe chill and see the environment and everyone, like, wow, yeah, it's so nice. So let's go down, guys. So this is our Gangnam. So as I told you, this, I think they did it today here. I don't know what they are going to put here so that it can be easy to climb up there. So guys, this is the house, very big and very, very, very nice. Yeah, very big. So I really believe this is the sitting room. We have bedrooms and everything. We didn't have a chance to go in because of time, the masons are out. But anyway, maybe I will be giving you a tour of this beautiful home when we come. Yeah, or maybe we can go in. Jose? Yeah. So I think maybe we can go in, but before, I think we should ask for permission. You know, you can't go just into someone's property without permission. So we have to really ask for permission. But for me, I really like this environment, very quiet, and yeah. So this is how it is. Yes. Yeah. So let's wait for Matiko 254 to allow us. Maybe, I don't know, if they will allow us to go in and see how the house is doing. But I really like the design, guys. I don't know about you. How do you see the design? The windows, big windows. I really like big windows. Like for me, when I build my maybe dream house, my windows will be bigger even than this, because for me, I think my window in my house will be from here. I don't know if you can see clearly from here down here. Yeah, and to this point, I think, yeah, big window, so that it can be, yeah, we have enough light and, yeah, fresh air. So my friend there is talking to the phone. Yeah, yeah. So yeah, and yes. So guys,
yes.
So hello, how are you?
I'm fine.
Yes. So this is Chef Matiko's brother.
Yeah.
Yeah. How are you, brother?
I'm fine.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Welcome.
Thank you so much.
I know it's your first. Okay.
First time, yes.
Yeah. Hello, guys. Well, actually, sorry, I've not introduced my name. And welcome back to Maja _ KE to his YouTube channel. And yeah, it's her first time to come down here. And so far, at the first time since we started foundation, actually I have not stepped in this place. Yeah, today you come to visit me, and right now it's evening right now.
Yeah.
But wherever you are, we don't know the time you at your place. Good evening, good morning, it depends at the time you are watching this video from. And right now, so far, we thank God where we have reached, the progress of our house right here. I think you have showed them.
Yeah.
And
But I have not gone in. I was asking for permission if I can go in. Is it right for me to go in?
even
Hmm?
it's okay. It's okay. No problem.
Yeah.
You can go in and show them.
Yes.
Actually, this house it's have three. I think it's not. I think it's 4 bedroom and one sitting room and opening kitchen
Wow.
right now.
So maybe you can go in and see.
Yeah.
Yes. So maybe you can direct me from this point. This is a very beautiful house, a very good house that everyone can dream to have a house like this. And maybe people can maybe be interested in seeing this so that they can have an idea.
We're
Yes.
not complete.
Yeah.
When the time it reach, we will see our new house right now, but we have not complete.
Yeah.
That's bedroom 1, bedroom 2.
So this is the living room.
Yeah,
Living room.
this is the living
Yeah.
room. Yeah.
Yeah. And maybe this is the dining. You know, I can tell.
Actually, yeah.
Yeah.
I would only.
I'm like the engineer, guys. Don't worry, but I can see from things.
Yeah.
You know, you can see from here. You guys can see from here. You know, yeah, here. This is the living room. Here, and this is the dining, and we have the dining door over there. You can go outside, and the kitchen.
Kitchen. Opening kitchen. Dining. Right, like that.
Oh, okay. Okay, so that is it.
Dining. The kitchen.
Yeah. So so guys, this is the, I think this is the sitting room. That is the yeah, and this is the dining. And I don't know about the other places, but because Chef Matiko's brother is very busy, so I'll just show you randomly. I don't know if this is a bedroom. I think yeah, this can be a bedroom. And this can, I think this is a toilet over here, and this is a bedroom also. Is this a master bedroom? Or yeah, maybe sometime when we come back, when it's not late, we can give you the whole tour of this house. And I really believe this is a washroom also. Yeah, I believe. I don't know, guys. I'm just trying. I am trying to be an engineer. Engineer Maya. Yes, and this also, this I can tell. Yeah. And this one, I think this one is a toilet. Yeah. Toilet, yes. Yeah, so guys, and we have another room here. I think this is the master bedroom. Yeah, I believe this is the master bedroom. This is the bedroom. And we have here the washroom. Yes, so I believe this is it all. But I think not, like, I believe this tour was not that good, but I will be coming here maybe in daylight so that I can show you everything from here, and given a very good tour so that you can know where is the toilet and everything. You know, guys, doing a video like this is just to like show maybe my audience or the people who are watching me, maybe from Kenya or outside Kenya, to show them that you can do a house like this, but you can maybe copy the best from here. You know, it's not just like we are just doing videos like you see the progress of someone. No, it's just like see this and copy the best. You can modify. Maybe you wanted a house like this, but you can have some things that you can modify or extend from here. So this is just trying to show what you can do and do it even better. So Chef Matiko, big up to you, salute to you, brother, and may God bless you abundantly. Peace and love. So I think it's getting late, guys. It's 6 here in our village. So this is how this house looks like. So let's go, maybe final touches here. I can show you behind here. So this is the kitchen door from here. Yeah, and the compound here is very big. You can see there are planted trees. Yeah, so nice. So you can come from the kitchen, come here and relax, maybe taking your coffee, maybe taking yeah, in the evening. Yeah, and I also think maybe if Chef Matiko will watch this video, maybe you can put here some good tents, like for visitors. When people come to visit someone, they can have maybe coffee here or dinner or anything. Then the kitchen door is just here, and this is a very good place that you can put tents, or rather anything that people can shelter on to, yeah, to have a chat and maybe coffee in the evening, maybe dinner, yeah, before going in the house. So that is behind the kitchen, yeah, behind the kitchen area. And this also is, yeah, but this is a very good and big area. Yeah, planted some trees, very good trees, and I believe when the trees are grown, this place will look amazing. Maybe some chairs there, guys. What do you think? Some chairs there, relaxing, having fun, you know. It's so nice. So this is guavas. We have a lot of them at home, and I don't know this fruit is called. Yeah, we have a nice fruit here, guavas also. Fruits, lot of fruits, yeah. So it's an amazing place to be. So, and very relaxing, you know. Times like this, right now it's 5. When you sit outside here and relaxing, taking your coffee, talking to some friends of yours, maybe your wife or maybe your fiance, talking over there, you have a shelter there, light, guys. What do you think? It's so nice, and it's my dream also to have something like this, and I believe it will come very soon. We are not forcing, we are not trying to be wannabe, but we are trying to copy the best, and this is what we are doing, guys. From Maja_KE, I really thank you guys. You prayed for me. Now I'm well. I'm gonna give you the best. May God bless you. Peace, love, and positive vibes from Maja_KE, and support everyone that is doing genuine work, guys. I really love you. Peace, love, and positive vibes. Until my next video, I love you guys. Thank you so much.